Right, we are back. We are live. It is 9:28. Market opens in about 2 minutes. So quick recap. Yesterday we took a trade. I am currently up at I think it's 50.5. Yeah, around 50.5k. I need two more trades at a 1 or 2 RR with a 1% what do you call it, risk to pass the account. We'll see how that pans out. But just to quickly recap, I took a really good trade yesterday. I wasn't super confident in the trade, but it did pan out, and I did go in at a really good time, and it played out pretty well, even on. Well, it was news yesterday, so maybe that's the reason why it panned out so well. Regardless, it is Tuesday, and there is no news today, but we do have a pretty solid week coming up this week, so I am looking forward to that. Um, anyway, so honestly, what I'm really looking for is probably for us to keep on selling off. I think we just retrace back into this 15-minute FAG, but I am looking for us to probably shoot back down, perhaps towards London lows, most likely. So what I am looking for us to do is probably tap all the way up here into this zone up here. Maybe this 15-minute high can also be a point of attraction here and market open. So I want market open. I want market to open, shoot towards this high, maybe even London and Asia session highs, and then continue to chill, and then chill back down after that towards London lows, ideally. Um, we might shoot back. We could shoot up straight and tap into previous day highs, but I don't think that's what we want to do. But also keep it in mind nonetheless. Yes. So I'm looking for us to trace back up to this 15-minute high, sweep the high, and then trace right back down. So it market just open, and yes, okay. I am probably gonna be trading solely on NQ today. I think I want to master just trading one of the indexes and using the other one as a just essentially as a backup, pretty much. Not a backup, but as a context. So maybe one of them is leading, maybe the other one isn't, and then we just base it off of that basically. Um, but yeah, in order for us to be bullish, I would probably want to see us break above Asia and London session highs. Otherwise, I would want to see us trail right back down. So we do push up higher, sweep the 15-minute high, and also take out Asia and London session highs here on MNQ. So London and Asia highs are gone at this point here on Nasdaq. We didn't trail all the way up here on ES or MES, my fault. But it would seem probably MES it could be the leading index. Regardless, I probably am still going to be taking a trade here on the Nasdaq. Oh. Wow. Honestly, I might be getting off the charts earlier today. For one, there's no news today. I mean, it is Tuesday, so that's one thing to consider. But also, um, um, I got an errand to run later on, so see what happens during that time. Ah. The If we chill down and break below this low, I'd probably go in with for buys. I mean for sells towards most likely these 15-minute lows down here. Perhaps leave runners towards London lows, but we'll see how that pans out. Ah. So what I'm looking for us to probably maybe potentially do here would be perhaps have us re-sweep up here and then break structure to the downside. Hopefully maybe create a swing low down here somewhere, but we'll see what happens. Huh. Hypothetically, let's say we do break below here, right? Our target would be what, down here? I don't know, this is a little funny. Perhaps. Huh. Okay, so we just swept this high again. I probably want to see us break below this level right here. If we do, the entry here at the high, aim down here, but hopefully maybe let her run all the way down towards London lows for a 1.92 RR. Could work out, but I'm not sure how that would pan out. Ah. If this were to pan out, I would aim for, yeah, I would aim for this, for us to break below this level, break even probably at this 5-minute low, and then I would want to see us take out all these this low resistance liquidity, but I still would want to see us probably run down all the way to London lows. So we swept Asia and London highs, right? We traced up back to the 1 minute high we have here, swept it. We have this swing low right here, which I want to see us break below. And if we do break below it, I want to see us enter into this last bullish leg. We tap into the swing low. I want to see us break below it and take an entry there. So we break below the swing low. I want to see us re-enter here, but right now this is being a little funny. Okay, there it is. Okay, so we break below the swing low. I want to see us re-enter into this zone right here and trace down towards these lows down here. And hopefully aim towards London lows, but we have to see what happens here. There we go. We re-enter. We took an entry here. And I would want to see us trace all the way to London lows. Whether or not it's going to happen, I'm not sure. Hmm. I want to take um profits at 1 RR minimum would be right here. And I'd probably break even at the 5 minute low right here. So we retrace into my entry. I want to break even at the 5 minute low. Want to retrace back down here, and I would take only profits at the minimum one RR, but ideally I want to see us trace down all of its London lows. And I went with the full 5 contracts. That was about 520 risk, which is the 1% risk I'm used to doing. Um, just quick recap as to why I did it. I am looking for sells overall, even more so because we tap into Asia highs up here. We tap into London and Asia highs up here, right? We created this 1 minute high, which we then reswept, forming a swing low right here. Forming the swing low right here, which we then broke below. And yeah, I want to see us retrace down to the 5 minute low. We could get stopped out, and if we do, that if I do get stopped out, that's gonna be my trade for the day. I'm only taking one trade a day. The only thing that maybe could have been a little bit better, well, not really, because I do believe this is leading index, and I do believe this is still trying to sell off. So we'll just see how this pans out. I got stopped out. Likelihood is because most likely is because we failed to. I think I failed to look at MES a little bit more. So even though MES is the leading index in this case, and we did trace up, but we had not confirmed, I think, a reversal just yet, or like at least a pushback down just yet. So in this case, we're probably going to be taking out Asia London session highs here right now, and then we might form something, because even though here we took out this 15-minute high initially, we had no break of structure here on MES. So that was a $520 loss, I think, about give or take. So I'm back at back at 50K pretty much. But I do still have 2K. I'm at a drawdown of minus 500, so I do still have 2K to work with. Um, but yeah, I'm probably want to take one more $500 risk trade, and maybe draw, and then maybe de-risk, but we'll see how that pans out. We just tap up all-time high. I mean, all-time. We just tap into previous day highs here on MNQ, and Asian London highs got taken out here already as well. Well, I mean, that's that for today. That was a pretty quick loss. I just think I was on the wrong side of the market. But also on top of that, what I could have done better is maybe prioritize MES a little bit more, because it does seem that MES was leading index. And if we hadn't gotten any confirmation from MES that we were ready to push back down, I probably should have avoided taking any trades on MNQ because we did tap into this 15-minute high, but we didn't break below any swing lows. Right now, we just tap into London session highs and Asia session highs up here. And if we do form a swing low and we break below it, then that gives confirmation on MNQ to push lower. In that case, I hadn't gotten that confirmation just yet, so I think that's on me for sure. But yeah, I'm back at a drawdown of minus 500. I still have 2K to work with, but it is what it is. We still have news coming to the rest of the week, and well, that's an early loss for us. And well, yeah, that's about it for that. So hopefully tomorrow we have better trades as a whole, and yeah, deuces.